Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Handwritten Digit Recognition using CNN, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So in this project we have used CNN model architecture and the accuracy score is 0.8773, which is around 88%. Now let us see the execution of the project. Just copy the source code location, go to your command prompt, go to the source code location, type python app.py. Now you can copy this IP address, just paste it in the browser. Now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title Handwritten Digit Recognition using CNN. Just click this login menu. So this is the static login page with the default username and password as admin because we have not used any database in this project. So you enter the default username and password and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigating to the prediction part where you can see the handwritten digit recognition CNN under a black window where you can see this place is the place where you wanted to write the digit, and then click the predict button, so it will be predicting. So now let me show you with a few cases of it. Now let me enter a digit here. Now you can see the predicted result is 2. And now you can see the predicted result is 3. You can see the predicted result is 4. Now you can see the predicted result is 5. And now you can see the predicted result is K, but I was writing 6, but the format was wrong, so it was showing a wrong result, so you wanted to correct it. Now you can see the predicted result is 6. Now you can see the predicted result is 7. Now you can see the predicted result is 8. Now you can see the predicted result is 9. So this also recognize the characters, so in case if you are writing in a similar way, it may detect the characters also. So you can just follow this and you can write accordingly, it will be detecting the exact digits. So let me show you by writing some characters also here. Now you can see the predicted result is A. You can see the predicted result is Z. And this is all about the project Handwritten Digit Recognition using CNN. And thank you for watching.